YouTube! What's going on, guys? Welcome to the special video. We're not working on the RR today. That's not true. We are working on the RR today. And in fact, we're about to go take a ride to the dealership, get some supplies that we need for the RR. But that's not what we're here for. Today's a special video to talk about the recent growth of the channel. It's in the giveaway that I promised you guys. Let's go! One day I'll get this big girl painted. One day. Got some news coming about the caddy soon. Can't wait to share that with the channel. Or actually, I guess we should say about the caddy's replacement. Picked up the essentials to continue some work on the RR. Some PJ1 carburetor choke injector cleaner, some in-tank fuel system cleaner, and one for later. Now your boy got a Red Bull problem. Alright, so let's get down to the real reason for this video. I had set a goal for the channel. I wanted to be at 50 subs, and when I got to 50 subs, we were going to do a giveaway. I told you guys the giveaway would consist of probably some custom powder-coated items, powder-coated by me, and a custom t-shirt from KP's Craft Room. We're going to just give out things for free. We need a little something from you guys. So obviously, we have hit our 50 sub mark. And thanks to some recent success on TikTok, we've surpassed that at 73 subs at the time of making this video. So it's time to talk about how we're going to do this giveaway. I said you're going to custom powder-coated item. So I've shown you some of the items that we can powder coat in the past, and I'll show you some more pictures at the end of this video or somewhere in this video. And we have some options there that we'll talk about with the winner. Now, this was a test cup that I tested. Anyway, this was a test cup, so the quality's a little down on it. One of the options would be something like taking a stainless steel tumbler and doing either a 1 or 2 color design with your name or logo, motorcycle logo, car logo, something like that. I've also done custom dog bowls. We have some bigger thermoses, cups, beer holders. We'll probably do things like a stainless steel flask, dog bowls. The options, I don't want to say are endless. There are some options, and we'll talk to the winner and see what they'd like powder coated based on what I have, or if they have something small they would like. I could probably powder coat a part for you if you needed a part powder coated. However, the logistics of you shipping me your part, which I'm not going to pay the shipping for, and then, you know, it might not be worth it. It might be better to just take one of these items. Now, for the shirt, there will also be some options, and I will put you in contact with KP's Craft Room, or I will be the middleman between that, and we'll talk about what you would like on the shirt. But the bottom line is you're getting a custom powder coated item and a custom made shirt. I'll show you some options of the shirts that I have received from KP's Craft Room, as well as the link to KP's Craft Room Instagram will be down in the description of this video. Now, there are some requirements to win. A lot of you have your subscription settings set to private, and even the person whose channel you subscribe to, in this case me, cannot see your name. I will not be able to pick you if I don't have your name as a subscriber to the channel. I won't know. You're not going to show up on my list of 73. So I suggest you check after watching this video your preferences and make sure that your subscriptions are not private. If you would like to keep your subscriptions private for some reason and you still want to be eligible, you're going to need to screenshot me proof that you've subscribed to the channel, and you're going to need to do that now after watching this. You can DM me on Instagram. My link is in the description. That brings me to the second point. To win, you must be following myself and KP's Craft Room, link is in the description, on Instagram. So what's going to happen is I'm going to set a date for the drawing, and I will announce that on Instagram after this video goes live. On that date, I'm going to randomly pick from the subscriber list of this channel. If I cannot see you, you must have your DM into me before that day. Once I pick the name from the subscriber list of this channel, I will verify that you follow me and KP's Craft Room on Instagram, and then you will be the winner. If I pick a name from the subscriber list of this channel and you do not follow us on Instagram, you will not be eligible, and I will move on to the next subscriber. I hope that makes sense. So in short, you must subscribe. You must change your preferences so that I can see them, or DM me a screenshot of you subscribe to the channel immediately after watching this video. Once I've picked the name of the subscriber who wins, I will verify that you follow both me and KP's Craft Room on Instagram, and then you will be the winner. After we pick the winner, we'll get a brief discussion about what you would like powder coated, what you would like on it, what you would like on your shirt, and then we'll get it shipped out to you for free on me as a thank you. 73 subs after taking a little break the way I did. I'm very thrilled with that. Thank you very much to everybody who's recently come over on TikTok. You guys found me after the post about this bike probably, and there's a lot more videos to come on this bike, especially after we get it on the track. Next on the list of things to check, since I'm still having a fuel delivery problem, taking off the fuel lines, making sure they're not clogged with anything, and taking out the injectors and giving them a bath and some cleaner, as well as blowing them out probably. But that's not what this video is about. Thank you very much for all the recent follows. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. We have another cool giveaway planned. If you don't follow me on Instagram, link is in the bio. TikTok link is in the bio. A lot of cool things going on TikTok. Be sure to check out KP's Craft Room if you want to win the prizes. That's it, guys. This was just a short video to explain the process of the giveaway. More to come on the RR, and as soon as the RR is done and after the track day in September, we'll get to work on the cafe build and the GS550. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to smash that like button, and I will see you guys at the next one.